This is a movie. I'm
Like
going to try to get some lightning. There we go.
Yeah, I mean, the heavens are talking to each other.
Just pretty with the sun still at the very, very tip of the clouds.
Mm. Yeah, it's just, it's like opaque in front of the
Well, this is the back side of it.
lightning.
What I love to do is get the plane out and fly behind these things because all the hail and nonsense is going the other way, and you just have a show that's like a fireworks display. Well, you can see the lightning start from the top of the cloud and work its all the way to the ground. Pretty neat.